This Ortho ZB presents a natural nail system, and it is a new generation system of intramedullary nail, and that is the design to help restore the shape of fracture of long bone to its natural pre-injured state. It has a versatile locking options and anatomically fit, and it enhances a fixation in even a poor bone quality. This a ZB cephalomedullary nail. It has a versatile distal options and 4 degree of proximal lateral angle and 15 degree of anti-version and 125 to 130 degree of CCD angle. And the spiral floats are moderate stiffness and facilitate the nail placement. This nail is available for left and right version. This nail length is available from 30 to 46 centimeter, and the nail diameter is available from 10 mm to 13 mm. Proximally 10.5 mm of leg screw is fixed and distally 5 mm screw is fixed. It is indicated for a compound fracture, simple shaft fracture, segmental fracture, comminuted fracture, pathogenic and periprosthetic fracture. Thank you so much for watching this video.